Hi, if you're currently looking for a mortgage, or perhaps you're just in the education phase and you're confused by all the numbers, the fees, and everything that goes into the question, what's your interest rate, or what are mortgage lender fees, or how do I know I'm getting the best interest rates? I'm going to make what can seem very confusing very easy to understand. First of all, don't make the mistake of asking mortgage lenders or banks to quote you on their 30-year fixed rates. Because 3 quotes from 3 different banks will mean nothing to you when it's time to close. Choosing the right loan officer is important because the right person will educate you and give you the real picture, the whole picture. Now, the first thing is this. Rather than looking at the face value interest rate, you need to look at the APR, the annual percentage rate. APR is a better way to understand what you're really paying or when it comes to looking at your mortgage. APR calculations, you see, they take into consideration all the fees associated with the loan, in addition to the mortgage interest rates, which makes finding the best mortgage really easy. The lower the APR, the better the deal, right? Well, yes and no. You see, a lot of customers come to me and say, hey, this bank quoted me a rate that's 1/8 of a point better than yours. Can you match it? And so I always ask them to forward me the quote so I can get a better picture of what that customer was really quoted. I inevitably show customers that what they were quoted was actually a pricier total cost of mortgage rate. Let me explain. You see, you should not trust the APR alone for an accurate understanding of its true cost. And here's why. There's no standard laws which fees have to be included in the APR, essentially allowing the lenders to choose what goes into the calculation and what doesn't. Not to mention, the calculation itself is based on the number of assumptions that don't hold true. You have to know how lenders are positioning their fees to avoid excess charges on your closing costs. Now, there is no standard with which included in APR. Lenders may choose to include some fees as part of the APR, but others are kept separate, and third-party fees like title and appraisal fees are always left out. What's most important for you to know is closing costs vary from lender to lender. Some bait consumers with a lower rate but have heftier fees, while others do the opposite. Let me be now brief and to the point. While APR is a good starting point for narrowing down offers, you have to dig deeper and really understand the true cost of any loan before committing. Those costs start with what's called a loan estimate. The loan estimate is a list of all the fees that would be charged to provide you a home loan, including the charges that would otherwise not be included in the APR. Lenders are required to provide you this information. While only an estimate, the loan estimate will let you view all fees, item by item, so you can identify any instances of overcharging or hefty fees. See, the average consumer has limited understanding of the total cost of a mortgage. And for most people, this is going to be the biggest purchase you'll ever make. And so it's worth the time to turn over each rock, work with someone that really knows this business and is upfront and honest with their approach. If I can be of any assistance to you in any shape or form, please give me a call at our number below. Hey, thanks for watching this video and have a great day.